Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this Nugget Ice Maker machine that we got recently on Amazon. I absolutely love this machine. I've been wanting to get an ice machine for a while now. This is actually the third ice machine that we've been testing to see which one we like the most. And this one so far has been great. This little guy right here makes so much ice. You can make 33 pounds of ice in a day. It's very quick as well. I can make a cup of ice in like 10 minutes, not even. It's crazy. As soon as you add water, it starts making ice very quick, which I like. I usually turn it off during the night so it's not spending electricity without us using, and as soon as I wake up in the morning I turn it on and it's ready for my iced coffee. Or also I love using this ice on my chai, and I just love the size of the ice as well. Let me show you. One problem I had with another Nugget ice machine was how tiny the ice was. I don't know, I didn't really like it because I felt like it melted too quick in my drink. This one, the nuggets are a little bit bigger, which I like, but it's not super big. To me, this is the perfect size. And the container also keeps the ice for a very long time. I noticed with the other ice machines, the ice started melting very quickly. This one, I needed to add water like 3-4 hours ago. And as you can see, the ice is still pretty much intact, which is nice. Self-cleaning is also very easy to use, and I love the size of this one machine in particular. It's not super tall. I feel like it fits perfectly underneath my cabinets. But yeah, love it, highly recommend it. If you're thinking about buying this, you should give it a try. Test it out. I am sure that you're gonna love it. I don't know, there are a lot of good things about this little ice machine.